If anyone has priced See's Candy lately, which I happen to know personally, currently is $33 a pound, or even if you have looked at Costco for bags of good chocolates that used to be $9 a bag and are now $15 a bag, you'll be happy to know what I have discovered, especially if you're on the refined sugar-free circuit. At Costco, they have a sugar-free chocolate that is called Bake Believe. And it's very good chocolate. I'll have you taste it in a minute. You can make your own chocolates at a fraction of the cost of buying your old favorites. And if you're to the point where you're watching exactly what you eat and counting everything that could possibly go wrong, I have two really delicious ideas for you. We have, you can use bananas. And by the way, if you wrap your bananas with cling wrap, then they'll last a lot longer. So you can use sliced bananas. You can use any kind of nut butter. This is the almond butter from Costco. And make your own treats. I've prepared little bites. On top of the banana, I have put nut butter and a peanut. So they're already pre-frozen, and now I'm going to drizzle a little bit of chocolate on top. This is that Bake Believe chocolate. And you know, you can do it sloppy or neat. I'm probably going to do it my normal sloppy because you just want a little taste of chocolate. Or you could get really fancy and actually dip it. It's up to you. It's your treat. And it doesn't take much chocolate to make a difference. I prefer having a little taste of chocolate after I've had a spicy dinner. Something about the chocolate itself just tastes amazing. So, doesn't matter what it looks like in my household, but you can be as fancy as you'd like. And then our second treat, well, you could also use toasted nuts and just dip or drizzle chocolate or combine it to make a nut kind of a treat. It doesn't really matter. It's kind of fun to do it just any way that suits you, elaborate or not. I wouldn't share these with anybody either, so there you have it. The second treat I'd like to illustrate is you can take dates, split them in half, and put a little bit of nut butter in the date. And then that is also delicious. My granddaughter told me about this recipe, and Mariah says this is just like it's just like a Snickers bar.
Oh.
And
Wow.
so these are very, very good too. There are different sizes of dates. Currently, the dates at Costco are small. So we split these in half, put a little drop of nut butter in this. This is a double one stuck together. You can split them in half, put a little tiny bit of nut butter. It doesn't take much. And it really does taste like a Snickers bar. So that's my treat.
How would it taste if you did like you do your the white chocolate with nuts cluster?
That's what I was trying to explain a little while ago. That if you put toasted nuts in this and just drop them off a spoon, then you've got a third treat all in the same pan of chocolate.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yep. So,
which one first?
It doesn't matter. So I know we mixed up. I could have had an almond with the almond butter, but it was one of those days that I wanted a nut and a butter.
That's good.
Surprising.
Mm-hmm.
Any combination would be.
Yes, yes. And now for the Snickers bar.
Here, have this little one here.
Hand me a knife. Oh, that's not nut. It doesn't have any chocolate.
Oh, it's not chocolate.
Yeah, dip it. Oh, maybe it does.
Yeah.
That could be one.
It kind of looks like one, doesn't it?
Or maybe it is.
Okay. It is good.
Very good.
It doesn't, it really dresses up a date, doesn't it?
Good. Thank you.